Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMModel.com, and this is one of the tutorials that in our series, the daily one thing learning, that this is remind from our colleague remind me that there is a new option in Revit that can be used in with the voids option in Revit in family creation. So the general thing is that when you have in a previous versions, when you wanted to control the void, if you don't want to cut that, you have to assign a parameter. In this case, you can have a void offset. If you don't want this void to be cut, you can think of this as some object with the void, and mechanical equipment usually have this void and will have a connector inside like this. What we do is we assign the parameter with a different value, controlling the value like these. Generally, this will not be locked. Actually, this will be locked like this with this object. And when we change this value, automatically the void will be moved out of this, and we don't see a cut. This is how we control our basic object positioning of void. You can see that in 3D as well. When you have both the views side by side, if you want to control the void, what you can, if you don't need the void, you can simply move that out of the space. We will have a blank space like this. So this will be controlled when whether you have wanted to have the void cut left side or void cut right side of the equipment, how you wanted to control. This also work with different options as well. We control it in this way. So, but in recent versions, we have option and you can select the void, and when you are doing the void, you'll have an option of cut geometry or not. The yes or no parameter, boolean parameter we have, you can even assign the parameter, associate a parameter for this as well. You can tick or untick this so that we will be able to cut or uncut the geometry. Very simple option. And this was most useful option in family, that whether you want to cut the solid geometry or not using the void. So this is a recent update. Do let me know if you have any specific requirement in Revit that will be useful for others as well. Do share it in the comment. We can make it a video and it will be all over for your friends and learning friends as well. Do share it with them, with your learning friends. Sharing is caring. With that, see you on the next tutorial. See you on the comment section also. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. And also I wanted to remember that BIMmodeler.com, we do BIM services for architectural and MEP consultant. We work with them to create a families, or we create BIM models for them, coordinator models for them. Do let me know if you need any requirement on that. See you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.